and welcome to another Train Sim World video, and today we're on the new Train Sim World 2 because I've done a video on it. Well, it's the first video. So today we're going to be going from Harrow and Wealdstone sidings to Queen's Park. So let's... Oh, there's just brief liveries that I've been, they're not very good. But let's go with the original, and let's find it, shall we? Well, let's just do the 1-2 Elephant and Castle, but terminate at Queen's Park instead. Let's do that. Okay, so if you want me to do more Train Sim World 2 videos, please comment down below if you do, and make sure you like and subscribe. So at the moment I like TSW2 very much. Preserve collection is I love. Anyway, here we are. Let's put the on into forward and saloon lighting on. Before we start, let's go stop marker off. Right. So this 1972 stock Mark II looks very nice in my opinion. Ooh, don't want to speed. Sounds are great. Just those clanking sounds. And welcome into Harrow and Wealdstone. One minute. We're already here. Oh, train approaching. Correct. Because we are on time. Watch this train rolling. Well, our train. Right. Open the doors. There we go. It's quite annoying that you can't get up when you're driving. I like that when you're driving with other trains, especially the 377. Right, let's see it depart. Oh, hang on. We want to change that to Queen's Park. There we go. Right. Let's watch this train depart then, shall we? Absolutely loving the sounds. So, I'm trying to do driverless on this route today to Queen's Park. Smile and wave, everyone. Smile and wave. Let's briefly open the window by using the drop light interlock to not stop the train this time. Good. Welcome over this Bakerloo line service to Queen's Park. The next station is Kenton. You can see Kenton Station we're approaching now. There it is. So we are going probably 45 now. Let's put it on break. Well, let's keep it on idle at the moment. Maybe just a bit late there. I'm trying to improve that when we get into South Kenton. Let's go to this door and see if the door's closed. It's quite a gap to the platform into the train. Okay, we're departing Kenton. One thing I like about the 1972 stock is the seats like they used to have on the A stock and they have on the Metropolitan line. I think that's quite a nice feature. It'd be a shame when they get rid of them for the new trains for the Bakerloo, Piccadilly, Central and Waterloo and City, I think. Anyway, let's get back into the cab. I'm loving the zoom as well. That's quite nice. As you can see, South Kenton is up straight ahead of us. Do a free roam shot. Lovely. Let's make sure we don't overshoot this time. What will that do? Oh. Excuse me, miss. Did you have some trouble getting out that door? Are you together? Are you twins? No? No response. Okay. Alright. There's 3 of them. Strange. Anyway, departing South Kenton. Next station is North Wembley. It's annoying that we can't actually go on the West Coast. Wait, can we go on the West Coast Main Line? No, there's an invisible barrier. That's quite annoying. Taking screenshots from afar look nice. Off it goes. Oh, there's North Wembley. The stations are very close together, in my opinion. Only a 37. Guess we can speed up, but we'd have to stop in a few seconds. Perfect. That's good. This station is North Wembley. The next station is Wembley Central. This is a Bakerloo line service to Queen's Park. Just run out the trunk, so sure. That should be fun. But I feel the detail in this game is amazing. Just everything, just every single switch. And like cab lights, even just cab lights are really nice. And every button does something even though it doesn't actually do anything in the game. It still switches. For example, well, that does nothing. But that, I don't think that does anything. Had a light on. No idea what that means. Let's take the hell off again. We are now approaching Wembley Central. I think that's a nice arrival. Basically on the dot. Got a red signal here. Is there a train in front of us? No. Guess it's just a normal red signal. Off we depart, the signal goes green. I don't think in real life that's actually accurate when as soon as you close the doors the signal goes green. But if one of you know, just leave a comment. That's nice. Oh, round this corner is quite a good place to get a view of the train. There's the corner. Okay, it's just here. Something like that. That looks quite nice. That would do. Feels like we're speeding around here. Yep. Oh. The thing that they don't have in this game, as soon as you hit a speed limit board, you can go straight to that speed limit. But in the game, you have to wait till your whole train is passed. That's not totally accurate, because that's what National Rail trains do. But we're on the Underground, so we don't do things like National Rail trains. Not that hill made us really go slow there. And in the distance there is Stonebridge Park. The depot that we've just gone past, those stores. Most of the trains. Chugging in at around 40 miles per hour. Oh, lag. I always get lag in the Stonebridge Park area. Guess there's lots of things to load in because of the depot and the scenery. Actually, there is a motorway. I think that's just here. Do some car spotting. Car spotting at Stonebridge Park. Huh. I think that was a 4KA. It's like into a tunnel. Goes into what underpass. Oh, how about we do... Oh, can't really see much of the train, can you? I guess you could see the outline of it, not most of it. It's off into the distance. On the console version, I don't think you can see Wembley Stadium. No, you can't. I think that's something on the roadmap that they're going to be updating soon. But when the Isle of Wight comes out, I'll happily do a video for it. Because I'm going to get it because I live quite close to the Isle of Wight. I can basically see it from my house. If you like, well, kind of, you just need to go like 5 minutes down the road and you can see all the ferries and stuff go to it. Why is there so much lag in this area? Melbourne, in the distance there is Harrow, believe it or not, next to it is the McVitie's factory where they make like those all the biscuits, chocolate digestives, yum yum. Slow down. It's a shame that we can't run trains on the West Coast Main Line. Imagine if they put a 390 on from Train Simulator. That'd be cool. Oh, I forgot the controls. Ah, no. Forget Transformers brake. Oh. Oh. Does that? I think that's a bit too big, Dovetail. Oh! Oh! This is, sorry, but I accidentally just went inside your head. You don't have any brains. Oh. That's a nice bit of detail. The Central London tube map. Oh, can't see where we are yet. We're not going to. Let's even go as far as Queen's Park. Green signal. The next station is Wembley Central. This is a Bakerloo line service to... Oh, lag. It's a Bakerloo line service to Queen's Park. That's nice as well. Ooh, lots of railways here. Wealdstone Junction is very odd. There's like high level and low level platforms, and then the West Coast Main Line is in, and then we have here in the overground. There's another section there to the left of us. It doesn't stop here. Red signal again here. Perfect! On the dot. This station is Wealdstone Junction. This is a Bakerloo line service. Oh, did you just jump in the air and just stop again? These passengers are very, very strange. The station is Wealdstone Junction. The next station is... Oh, forgot what the next station is. I'm pretty sure it's Kensal Green. Did the signal go green? Yes, it did. Oh, I don't want to spad. Is it Kensal Green? I think it is. Oh, better turn the cab light off. It's J on the keyboard, isn't it? don't think it is for this train actually. Let's turn that on so we can. Oh, speeding! Don't want to do that. There you go. Turned off. Welcome with this Bakerloo line service to Queen's Park. The next station is Kensal Green. Pretty sure it's Kensal Green. I like the tunnels that go into it as well. Like, so annoying because your camera goes in when you go in the tunnel. And in Train Sim World 2020 that didn't happen, so you can get nice tunnel shots, but it's so annoying that you can't do it now. I'll give you a little example. Let's wait till we're near the tunnel. Okay, watch this. How annoying is that? It's so frustrating. Why do they have to do that? Also, if you could get out the doors, because that always says disabled. And when you put it into shutdown, it still does nothing. Ooh. That wasn't the best stop in the world. But it says the selector key is removed. Tried that. Doesn't work. Very annoying. Alright. Let's depart Kensal Green. And the next station is our final stop, Queen's Park. Yay! Let's go. Next time going to London, I am definitely going on the Bakerloo line because I don't actually go on it that much. I normally go on the modern lines like the Victoria, the Jubilee, and the subsurface lines. I prefer them, but these are quite cosy. Oh, nice and cosy. And the nice maquette. Maquette's lovely. Really like that. I think we might be speeding. No, but we should be in a sec. So let's put some brake force on. 15, oh my god. No, not making that. There we go, that would do. I think that's around 17. That would do. We're now approaching our final stop, Queen's Park, where this train terminates. All change, please. Ah, stupid fence. Ah! I think this word's taken off. We do not want to overshoot that. Right. Here we are, Queen's Park, our final stop. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Leave your comments below if you want to see any more of these type of videos and any particular routes that you want me to drive on. So yes, good that you enjoyed it, and goodbye.